Introducing the Advantage 2 contoured ergonomic keyboard from Kinesis. With mechanical key switches, onboard programmability, keyboard separation, keyboard tinting, and switchable between Windows, Mac, and PC. The Advantage 2's design and layout works with your body to help address all common major risk factors that can lead to keyboard-related repetitive strain injuries, including ulnar deviation. Split key wells position hands at shoulder width to keep wrists straight. Concave key wells place hands and fingers in a relaxed position. Vertical key arrangement mirrors the natural motion of fingers. Thumb clusters transfer workload from the weaker pinkies to stronger thumbs. Wrist extension. Integrated palm supports promote neutral wrist position and protect your wrists from any surface contact. Optional cushioned palm pads are included. Forearm pronation. Built-in tenting to reduce forearm tension for a more neutral typing posture. Excessive mouse reach. The 10-keyless layout results in a smaller footprint for closer mouse placement, and an embedded 10-key provides easy access to the number pad. The Advantage 2 utilizes premium Cherry MX low-force mechanical key switches, offering incredible comfort, performance, and unmatched durability. Choose between Cherry Brown tactile key switches or Cherry Red quiet linear force key switches. The onboard SmartSet programming engine allows you to easily remap keys, create macros, and custom layouts. All custom settings are saved directly to the keyboard's onboard memory without requiring the use of clunky software or drivers. Custom modes are available for Mac, Windows, and PC modifiers, as well as a native Dvorak layout. Introducing the award-winning Kinesis Freestyle 2 split keyboard, the ergonomic keyboard that adjusts to you. The FS2 is available for both PC and Mac and comes with your choice of a USB or wireless Bluetooth connection. Are you looking for a more comfortable keyboard that can also boost productivity? Then check out the FS2. Thanks to its unique split modular design, the FS2 adjusts to a wide range of body types and addresses the known risk factors associated with typing. With its traditional key layout and compact design, the FS2 is a breeze to adapt to and is perfect for both home and office use. Conventional keyboards force you to contort your wrist to reach the home row keys, but the FS2 allows you to completely separate the key modules, so the home row is always at a comfortable width. And with a choice of a 9 or 20-inch linking cable, the FS2 accommodates nearly any body type. As an alternative to separation, you can attach the pivot tether to splay the key modules to a comfortable angle. For added comfort, optional accessories provide reproducible tent settings of 5, 10, and 15 degrees, which elevates the thumb side of the hand to relieve forearm tension. Most keyboards have higher profiles and positive slopes, which can create painful bending of the wrists. The FS2 keeps your wrists in the proper typing position thanks to its low-profile design, 0-degree slope, and optional palm supports. We eliminated the 10-key pad to allow closer mouse placement, which reduces arm and shoulder strain. For number crunchers, we offer a standalone keypad, which can be positioned where you want it. Ever think about key feel? Custom designed, low-force, tactile key switches offer a light and gentle feel to reduce finger fatigue. And to reduce mouse clicks and awkward key combinations, driverless hotkeys are conveniently located, performing common actions like cut, copy, paste, and undo. Kinesis Freestyle 2. Your comfort, your style, your choice.